Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make those trippy AI visuals that you're seeing in pretty much every underground music video or visualizer that's come out this year. These really geeked up effects. If you want an easier way to implement these into a video, maybe you have a bunch of clients that want this style, you just don't have time for them all. I've spent hours making 350 of these type of assets that you can buy today for only $35 with code EGO on tinytapes' website. I have it linked in the description, but if you have the time, then I'll show you how I made them. Go to Google, let's look up eyes, see what we got. Images, so yeah, right here, this already kind of looks uncanny, just the way the eyes are stacked. So let's save this, let's head over to Runway. Runway is currently the #1 site for this type of thing. You can make a free account, it gives you a certain amount of credits, and when you run out of free credits, you can just make another email. I did that for this video. So you want to click wherever it says Gen 3 Alpha. They switch it around all the time, but try it now. But the secret is you can't use Gen 3, so you want to go to Gen 2, and then we'll want to just drag in our picture. You know, for this type of style, you can write whatever you want. I mean, you don't even have to use eyes, you can use whatever. This is usually kind of what I write. Distorted, morphing, blinking, twisting, stuff like that. Once you have one that you're happy with, you're going to want to drag it into your project. I actually got two here that I like. So contrary to popular belief, it actually doesn't matter which editing program you use. Most of the popular ones, DaVinci, Final Cut, Premiere, have the same functionality, with some being a lot better at certain things. So even though I'm using Final Cut, you can follow this from any other editing program. Even CapCut should have most of these capabilities. Sony Vegas, whatever. Once you have this video, you will notice that there's a watermark over here. You can crop it out, of course, or you can kind of like stretch it. This will be fine if you just make sure it's stretched past the mark there. We have this young Phaso video here. You want to add these borders to it. Let's condense this video. Then what I like to do is add some little effects. You can do this to how you like to add hue and saturation curves. Again, they have these on Premiere, they have these on DaVinci, maybe on CapCut. Yeah, let's get this nice purple here. Let's boost the saturation. Mess with these here. Just kind of give this like uncanny kind of distorted look. And then maybe we will add some pixelation to emulate that nostalgic 8-bit VHS kind of vibe that's also popping right now. Maybe some sharpening, whatever you like, honestly. I might put the shadows up on this just a little bit. And then what I might do is add a negative coloring to this. It makes it green. Now you can put it under here and make it purple again. Now retain some green in the eye. I actually like that. Nice. Then what I'm going to do is actually speed this up. Then I'm going to duplicate it, right click on this top one here, make this a compound clip. In Premiere, I believe that's a nested clip, and then flip it. Now I have it on both sides, and then I can change the color of this one on the other side here. So let's say if we want this green. Nice, that's kind of cool. And you can kind of just do this throughout the video. Might use this low shutter sequence here and take the other eye iteration that we have. I might change the sizing around just to keep it unique. Yeah, I might even keep it full size like that. Speed it up. Then I might reverse it on the end here so there's sort of a looping effect. Maybe flip it upside down. And you can do this with the assets in the Geek Effects pack. I encourage you to take those and make them your own. They just give you a good base of where to start from, so you don't have to go through the whole AI creation thing. You can kind of just customize those into whatever you're looking for. I might actually stack this. I'll stack another one right beneath it. So now I have two of these stacked on top of each other. So what I'm gonna do is take it from the very bottom of the stack, then I'm gonna key it there. Should be around 1080, you know, depending on what resolution you're in. Then I'm going to, at the end of the clip, bring it all the way down, and I'm going to make these keyframes linear. And then you'll have a sliding down effect. You can make this faster. You can add more stacks, you know, make it double the speed. Then what you can do is copy the effects you have on this previous eye clip. Again, you can do this in Premiere and DaVinci, and then you want to go in. If you're on Final Cut, you might just be able to paste it on in Premiere, but if you're on Final Cut, you have to go all the way inside the compound clip, paste it in here, just so that everything aligns. Change it up a bit. Might want to go, you try this turquoise color, I like that. You can honestly make it black and white. You can, keep adding the negatives, reverse. And then you have another nice eye effect here. I'm gonna clean up that gap there. And then further, what you can do, you can take an asset like the barbed wire or the chains from our Geek Effects pack, and then kind of align that with the border here. Just stretch it out, maybe speed it up, just something like that. The border that goes down kind of works best with these eyes going down, so we'll find another one like that. And I like how it's going in an opposite direction of the eye animation. That's cool. And again, always change these assets to make them unique. Great, amazing. If you guys do use this tutorial or the pack, make sure to link the videos in the comments so I and other viewers can check them out. Again, the Geek Effects pack is available at the link below, tinytapes.ca, $5 off with code egøs. For other similar packs, you can check out our website, deadegos.ca. Swag.